Welcome back, everybody, and thank you for rejoining us. I think we've just had the most extraordinary morning so far, and I think what's so amazing is I'm very much started looking after people with M&D, 20 years ago, and it was very niche and very tiny kind of population of kind of help that was available. And now it really seems that kind of things are so much more mainstream and accessible, and the technology is fantastic. And so it's really opening up worlds for people. So just amazing. And thank you very much indeed for that. And I hope you had time for a quick break and you're ready and comfortable for the next sessions. So what I'd like to do now is invite Kalanit to present the very prestigious 2021 Allied Health Professional Award.
Hello, my name is Kalanit Balas, and I am the chair of the International Alliance for ALS and M&D Associations. And I am truly honored and privileged to present the Allied Health Professional Award today. This is just one of the most favorite things I get to do all year. The Allied Health Professional Award was inaugurated in 2018 by the International Alliance of ALS and M&D Associations. And this is to recognize an individual committed to providing exceptional care to people with ALS and M&D. And today's winners certainly personify that sentiment. I did say winners. It wasn't a slip of the tongue. This year, we had a wonderful pool of candidates nominated, but there was a tie. So we decided to award two versions of this award in 2021. This award also celebrates the sharing of expertise and exploration of new ideas to improve patient care and to recognize significant contribution in the advancement of ALS and M&D clinical management. One of the 2021 award winners of this award is Sarah Solomon, who is a senior occupational therapist at the Calvary Health Care in Bethlehem in Australia. That's a mouthful, where she assists other therapists with information and advice to help them work effectively with patients living with ALS and M&D. She's a strong advocate for the needs of people with ALS and M&D and an active member of the M&D's Victoria's Equipment Reference Group, the Rehabilitation Assistive Technology Association, and the Palliative Rehab Specialist Group in Australia, amongst other things. One person said, Ms. Solomon is known for her ability to think outside of the box, to come up with a solution that meets the need of the person with M&D who she's working with or consulting about. She's a thought leader in the area of adjusting and adapting to rapidly changing function and an expert on the assessment for the prescription of electronic assistive technology. She's a very worthy winner of this award. Sarah, you have made a difference in the contribution and the advancement of ALS and M&D in clinical management. So please help me in congratulating Sarah Solomon as one of the co-winners of the 2021 Allied Health Professional Award. Sarah, I now would like to virtually present you your award for 2021. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It is truly a privilege and a pleasure to work with people with M&D ALS in Australia. And I feel really humbled but very grateful to be given the recipient of this award this year. I've been working with people with M&D for 15 years, and I've seen the other people that have received this award over the years. And it's truly a magical experience for me to be the recipient this year. So I thank you all very much, and thank you to whoever nominated me. And it, as I said before, it certainly is a privilege.
Well, congratulations. I'm sure I'm not alone when I say well deserved. So we really appreciate having you as part of our community, and obviously your nomination speaks volumes. So congratulations again, and hopefully next year we can maybe celebrate once more in person.
100%. I'll be there wherever it is if we can.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This award also celebrates the sharing of expertise and exploration of new ideas to improve patient care and to recognize this significant contribution to the advancement of ALS M&D Clinical Management 2021 award winners. This year is Dr. Melinda Cavanaugh, who is an associate professor at the University of Wisconsin in Milwaukee in the United States, where she focuses on youth and caregivers, or excuse me, youth as caregivers, especially those acting as caregivers for family members with chronic illness, including neurological disorders. The practical resources and programs that she's developed with the ALS Association speaks quite clearly to her commitment to advancing clinical care in ALS and MND. One of her nominees said, "You only need to hear Dr. Kavanaugh present one time to see how passionate she is." Her work on children as caregivers for people living with ALS, MND addresses an issue that's been overlooked for many years. She is dedicated to changing that and is sharing her knowledge and expertise with other health professionals, people living with ALS and MND, and young carers themselves. She saw a need and filled it with care, passion, and enthusiasm. And we thank her with all of our hearts. That came from Sarah Feldman at the Hope Foundation. Melinda worked with other organizations who are members of the International Alliance in Switzerland, the Netherlands, South Africa, Iceland, and I think just last week committed to translating her children's work into Korean to assist the association in Korea. There is no doubt that Melinda has made significant contribution to the advancement of ALS and MND clinical management. So please join me in congratulating the co-winner of the 2021 Allied Health Professional Award, Dr. Melinda Cavanaugh. Melinda, congratulations. I can say on a personal level, it's been an honor to work with you over the last several years. Many people from around the world are benefiting from the work that you have done and pioneered. So thank you. And now I'm going to virtually hand you your award that I hope to hand to you in person next year.
Thank you so very much. I am just blown away. I'm almost speechless, which is shocking because I rarely am a speechless person. I can't say enough what an honor this award is. It truly is my life's work and my life's passion to bring attention to the role that children and youth play as caregivers and the support and the absolute dedication from the International Alliance, from the Alliance organizations, and from the ALS Association in the US, and from you, Kalanit, has just been amazing. I can't thank everybody enough. That was a beautiful nomination. I just feel absolutely, completely honored. And I just want to, in my slight speech here, continue to bring awareness to the children and youth and families living with ALS and motor neuron. They're my guiding light every day for the work that I do, and the stories they tell, and the passion and the drive that they bring to the families that they live with and that they provide care for. And it's truly, truly an honor. And I'm feeling very emotional right now, and I cannot thank you all enough. Thank you from the absolute bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Well, thank you, I think is what everyone would say. And, and when we do this work together, we make great changes. And I believe that this is a sentiment of that. So congratulations. I sincerely want to see you in person next year. We will celebrate all of our award winners hopefully together.
Absolutely. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, very many congratulations to Sarah and Melinda. That's absolutely brilliant. Thank you.
Yes, I just want to add my congratulations before I leave and hand this over to Rachel completely. But congratulations, Sarah. Congratulations, because I know the amount of work you do and what you put into it. And Melinda, congratulations, because I don't understand all the work you do, but I know it's fantastic. So thank you.
Yeah, I first met Melinda many years ago at a symposium, at this symposium lunch, where she joined us, and me and my colleague Jan, because she thought we looked fun. And we've had a lot of fun over the years at the symposiums, and hopefully we'll be able to meet again in person next year. So many congratulations to Sarah and Melinda. And actually, in the chat, I can see a lot of congratulations too. So you'll be able to enjoy that as well.